Welcome to Pro Tip Thursday, where I, as a pro makeup artist, will give you advice on how to best elevate your makeup looks for the everyday beginner or pro makeup artist. So, for this part of our Pro Tip Thursday series for the whole month of December, we are going to be talking about dressing your eyes, how to determine your eye spacing, your eye shape, your eye type, and what shadow and lashes go best with your eyes, right? Everybody has problems determining what works best for them. So, this series will be part one of our Dressing Your Eyes series. First things first, we are going to start by determining your eye spacing. So there are basically three types of eye spacing: normal set, wide set, and close set. That just means how far apart is your eyeball to the bridge of your nose to the other eye. This will help us determine where to place darker eyeshadow and lighter eyeshadow. For normal set, the eyes are already spaced evenly, one eyeball apart. To balance these eyes, you don't have to do anything. They can wear any eyeshadow. Here is an example of a normal set eye. Now, the next eye type will be wide set. So for wide set, you want to bring it closer. So the best way to do that will be to place darker eyeshadow in the inner corners and outer corners of the eye and just apply a lighter shimmer in the middle to create that halo effect. I don't know if you guys remember, but there was a particular time where that halo effect eye was all the rage. It's great because it brings the eyes closer together, so it looks more balanced for your features and for your face. Avoid placing shimmer shadows on the inner corner of the eye. It's just going to make it look further apart, and you don't want that. Here is an example of a wider set eye with a halo effect. And then here is an example of just a wide set eye. So for the final eye set type, we have close set. Now these eyes are very close together. They are less than one eyeball apart. You want to make the eyes appear more open, and the best way to do that will be to apply lighter shades in the inner corners to make your eyes look more open. So here is also another example of a close set eye. I 100% agree with placing inner shadow in the inner corners because that just makes the eyes look more beautiful. Not every eye needs an inner corner highlight, okay? Please know this and know peace. I hope this helps simplify your journey for the everyday beginner friendly makeup look. Watch part 2 to determine what type of eye shape you have. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.